Good morning, students. Today, under the topic of perimeter and area, we will be discussing about area of a triangle. Let's see how we can find out area of triangle. For this, I have started by considering a parallelogram ABCD. As you can see, I have drawn a parallelogram ABCD and join AC, which are the two opposite vertex. The moment you join AC, AC will become the diagonal of this parallelogram, and diagonal of parallelogram divide the parallelogram into two triangles of equal area. So as you can see, when I draw AC, two triangles I've got, triangle ABC and triangle ADC. These two triangles are equal in area. Why I'm telling you this, you will get to know very soon. We already know area of parallelogram is equal to base multiply height. And as I've told you, area of these two triangles are same or equal. So I'm picking the triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half of area of parallelogram ABCD. Why? Because these two triangles are equal in area. So area of one triangle is half of area of parallelogram ABCD. And you substitute the area of parallelogram ABCD. Formula is base multiply height here. So you will get area of triangle is equal to half of base multiply height. So this is a formula of area of triangle. And from this formula, we can have two more formulas for base and height. If we are given area of triangle and height, we can find out base using base equals to 2 multiply area of triangle upon height. And if we are given area of triangle and base, then we can calculate height, which is equal to 2 multiply area of triangle upon base. Coming to a special triangle, which we know is an equilateral triangle, area of an equilateral triangle, how we can find out. Although, please don't get confused, if you are given height of this equilateral triangle, you can freely use this formula, which is half multiply base into height for equilateral triangle as well. But children, what happens if you are not given height of equilateral triangle? Then there is a formula for us which will help us to find out area of an equilateral triangle even if the height is not given to us. So let us consider an equilateral triangle with side A. Area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 upon 4 side square. And here we have let side as A. So that is equals to root 3 upon 4 A square. So we have two formulas to find out area of equilateral triangle. If we are given height and side of equilateral triangle, you can use this formula, which is half base into height. And if you are only given sides of equilateral triangle, then you will use this formula root 3 upon 4 side square. Now let's discuss some questions. Find the area of triangle whose base is 9 cm and height 20 cm. We know the area of triangle equals to half multiply base multiply height. Substitute the value of base and height here. That is equals to 1 upon 2 multiply 9 multiply 10 centimeter square. Simplify up and down. You will get 9 into 10 equals to 90 centimeter square as area of this triangle. Second part of the same question. Base is equal to x meter, height equals to 2x meter. So area of triangle equals to half multiply base multiply height equals to half multiply x multiply 2x meter square. Simplify up and down. You will get x multiply x equals to x square meter square as area of this triangle. Third part of the same question. Base is equal to 10.5 centimeter and height equals to 6 centimeter. So area of triangle equals to 1 upon 2 multiply 10.5 multiply 6 centimeter square. Simplify up and down. You will get 10.5 multiply 3 equals to 31.5 centimeter square. And students, if you want to give your answer of area of triangle in meter square, then either you convert both the dimension base and height, which is given in centimeter, into meter first and then put them into the formula, or you can do the conversion in the end as well. We have got the area 31.5 centimeter square. We can convert it into meter square if we divided it by 100 multiply 100. So 31.5 centimeter square is equal to 31.5 upon 100 multiply 100 meters square equals to 0.00315 meters square, area of this triangle in meter square. Next question. Find the area of equilateral triangle whose side is 2.6 meter. So students, we are given only the side of equilateral triangle. So we are going to pick the formula of area of equilateral triangle, which is equal to root 3 upon 4 multiply side square. So side is 2.6 meter. So you substitute the value of side here. You will get root 3 upon 4 multiply 2.6 square meter square. First solve this 2.6 square, which is 6.76. So root 3 upon 4 multiply 6.76. Simplify up and down. You will get root 3 multiply 1.69, which can be written as 1.69 root 3 meter square. And student, value of under root square root 3 equals to 1.732. So you can substitute the value of square root of 3, which is 1.732 here. So you will get 1.69 multiply 1.732 meters square equals to 2.92708 meters square as area of given equilateral triangle. Next question. Find the base of the triangle whose area is 95 centimeter square and altitude is 19 centimeter. So we know by formula base of triangle equals to 2 multiply area of triangle divided by altitude. Height and altitude are same thing. So substitute the values here. 2 multiply 95 upon 19 equals to 2 multiply 5 equals to 10 centimeter as base of the triangle. Next question. Find the area of the following figure. Here is a figure given to you and dotted line was not given in the question. So I have drawn this dotted line, join BD. The moment you will join BD, the BD will be equal to AE as you can see it by figure. So BD equals to 5 meter as well. And the moment you join BD, you will get two figures in this. One is rectangle and one is triangle. So area of this complete figure is sum of area of rectangle and triangle. So let's first pick up this triangle BCD and find out the area of it. Students, this triangle BCD is a right angle triangle. This is right angle. Sine of right angle means 90 degree at vertex C. Base 3 meter, perpendicular 4 meter. Perpendicular is another name of height of the triangle. So we can use the formula area of triangle BCD equals to half of base multiply height. That is equals to half multiply 4 multiply 3. Simplify up and down. You will get it equal to 2 multiply 3 equals to 6 meter square as area of triangle BCD. Coming to another figure which is a rectangle. So area of rectangle ABDE is length multiply breadth, which is 6 multiply 5 equals to 30 meter square. So area of this figure is area of rectangle ABDE plus area of triangle BCD. That is equals to 30 plus 6 equals to 36 meter square as our answer. And here is your assignment to be done in Arithmetic 1 notebook along with the classwork, which is the discussion of the video. And here is your answer key of the previous assignment. Carefully check all solutions.